Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to download Final Fantasy VII Ever Crisis on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your App Store and go to the search box at the top and type in Final Fantasy, and then in the search result, look for this application from Square Enix that says Final Fantasy VII Ever Crisis. Now to download the app, go ahead and tap on the Get button and wait until the application gets downloaded. The Final Fantasy VII Ever Crisis is a role-playing video game developed by Applebot and Square Enix. The application is available for Android, iOS, and Windows. It forms a part of the compilation of Final Fantasy VII, a series of media spin-offs from the 1997 video games Final Fantasy VII. Wait until the application gets downloaded and you will be able to launch it open and play it right on your iOS device. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.